Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can lock your Bank of America credit card. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the Bank of America mobile banking app on your phone and sign in using your username and password. Make sure you're connected to the internet for a smooth experience. Step 2. Once you're logged in, look for the menu icon, usually found at the bottom or top left corner of the screen, and tap on it. This will open up a list of options related to your account. Step 3. From the menu, scroll down and tap on Manage Debit or Credit Card. This is where you'll find all the settings to control your card, like locking or unlocking it, replacing it, or reporting it lost or stolen. Step 4. Select the debit card you wish to lock by swiping left. Once you have selected the right card, tap Lock. Note that, if you are unable to locate your card, you can order a replacement card on this screen. Tap Replace and follow the prompts. Step 5. Read over the terms and conditions and tap Lock Card.